Alright y'all, tonight for dinner I'm going to make a chicken pot pie, and I'm going to try to make it in a muffin tin. So I've got some home canned chicken here. It's got the broth and everything. I'm going to mix that with my cream of chicken soup, and I'm going to use biscuits as the crust. So we don't really like vegetables in ours. I'd rather have it on the side, so I'm just going to mix the chicken and the soup together and just put that in there and then have the other things for the side. So I sprayed my muffin pan, and I'm going to line the pan with the biscuits.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
Okay, I'm going to stick these in the oven. I've got it on 375, and I'll just have them in there until the biscuits get done and it's nice and bubbly on the top. Okay, you guys, don't those look good? And I've still got plenty of filling left over here, so I might make some more and pop them in the freezer. But these look really good. A quick and easy night tonight for dinner. And I just heated up my broccoli and cheese from last night. And I'm going to eat these one more time, and then we're done with the pork and the vegetables. But I got those vegetables heated up, so now we're going to eat. And let's take them out and see how they look and how they taste. Alright, let's take one out. These turned out so good. I'll definitely make these again. And I've got more filling, so I'm going to make another pan full. And I can put those in the freezer, so over the holidays, if I don't have time to cook, I'll just take them out of the freezer and pop them in the oven and have a quick dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.